Hey, it's Jenny. I have a early peek at my Cocoa Daisy design team box for the afternoon tea collection. I got this a little bit early because I have something coming up in May, and so I needed it a little bit early. And all of these items I received as a design team member, so I didn't purchase any of these things with my own money. Let's take a look and get started. Okay, so we open the box up and we have this super cute tissue paper. The little card that comes with the kit with the message on the back. All right, I haven't opened anything yet, so you'll have to forgive all of the noise and the crackling from the bags. All right, so this is the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. All right, let's start with the washi tape. So it's these fun stripes with different patterns in some of the stripes. Hopefully you can see that. You can obviously get a better look at it on the website, but super cute. Then there is also a few die cuts as well. And let's take a look at the die cuts, shall we? All right, so you pull these out and you have a really pretty floral. You have a hexagon, tag, little circle, just a bunch of really cute stuff, including the teacup. Am I right? How adorable is that teacup? Now, let's put those aside. All right, so then we have the enamel dots, and they're glittery, of course. They're beautiful. I'm super excited about that blush pink shade because it is a cute. All right, so now we also have the stamp set. The little frame is absolutely adorable. I think there's going to be a lot of fun to be had with that. Look at these puffies. Oh my gosh, I love it. What I really love about it is that these shapes are really geometric. However, then you have this super whimsical art that goes with it. So it's the perfect balance. Now this is a really fun addition this month. This is a package of their little note cards. So it comes with little cards that would go in, and then these envelopes fold up. Adorable, right? Pretty darn smitten with that. So there's a lot of fun ones with all of the different patterns. So like here's some more of the notes. Yeah, that's really super fun. All right, then we have these papers that come in the Traveler's Notebook kit. I've never showed these to you because I've never gotten this kit before. Can you believe that? Cute little teacups. Look at that. These are great. I love it. And then the alphabet stickers, which this is my very favorite font. I absolutely love it. I'm not necessarily a fan of puffy stickers, but this font, don't care. We'll use it as a puffy sticker any day. Then we have these really cute chipboard stickers. And then some memory keeping patterned papers. Now, if you'll recall, you get 2 of each pattern. So you have the front side and then you also have the back side. So these are all really pretty. What I love about it is there's definitely a great mix of really beautiful organic patterns and then some of the geometrics as well. So I think it's going to be really fun to use. There's just a great balance. And then this is the Simple Dory. What is a Simple Dory? A Simple Dory is like a memory keeping traveler's notebook. Now, of course, you could use it for planning if you wanted to, but it's got not only pattern papers, but then like this is a dot grid, then you've got a regular grid. So there's just a mix of all of the things in here, which makes it so easy and fun to use. So yeah, oh, and look at that. So cute, am I right? So it's perfect for memory keeping. All right, so that was the Traveler's Notebook kit. Now here is the Modern Memory Keeping kit. Now this is very similar. This just comes with pocket cards so that if you wanted to do any pocket scrapbooking, you could do that. All right, so this comes with a roll of washi tape, and it's just got a really small little polka dot pattern. Hopefully you can see that. Then we also have the die cuts as well, just like in the other one, but there are some differences, I do believe. They're not the same. So like if you wanted to get both kits, they'd be very similar and they'd work well together, but they're not exactly the same. And if you are not aware, these are also stickers. You simply pull off the backing and then they are stickers on the back. So look at that, so much fun. And obviously that's just some of them. There are more in the package still. Alrighty, so then we have a couple of tags, which I love tags. How cute, right? Then the glitter dots and this stamp set. Do you see that? Amazing. And then you already saw the puffy stickers. Here are the pocket cards. So they come belly banded together. We'll do the 4x6 first. That is spectacular. Calories don't count on the weekend. Those colors are just, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. All right, so then we have the 3x4s. What I love about this kit and the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit is that they are really just modern and beautiful, and then you have little whimsical touches throughout there so they don't feel cold or anything like that. I absolutely love it. And I also love it because, okay, that's gorgeous, and I don't even like water, or I don't like butterflies at all. But like this one, okay, so there is a Happy Mother's Day card, but if you don't celebrate Mother's Day, it's not your thing, or any other holiday, you totally don't have to use it. Like the other side is also great. So it's definitely such a cool card. Oh my gosh, I love that. These colors are gonna be a favorite, that's for sure. I love that. Again, I know this is so minor, like what a minor card, but I just love that little detail on there. That says collecting moments. It's so cute. So see, those are all just, oh my gosh, so much fun. Whimsical, yet modern, just really perfect. All right, so now these are a package of those little note cards that I showed you in the last kit. Really fun. Love these. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start just creating all of the things. Then we have the chipboard. I wonder if they're exactly the same. I don't know. I'd have to go and compare them. And then we have the pattern papers, and I showed you those last time we looked at that. But let's just check them out again real quick. So remember, those are the other sides. So pretty. All right, now that was the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. Now I'm going to share with you, this is the Classified Memory Keeping Edition kit. Alrighty, so it comes with the puffy stickers. It comes with some die cuts. You see those? They're all so pretty, just like the ones in the other kits. Not the same, but very cute and similar. Look at this, a fun little template so you can make little envelopes like those that we saw already. Oh my gosh. Okay, then it comes with the giant tags, which Every month I get so excited about these. I never know how to use them to do them justice, but so cute. Let your joy burst forth like flowers in the spring. That's amazing. Then it comes with these alphabet stickers. And then these are the papers from the planner kit. So you have this tone-on-tone floral with the polka dots. Oh, beautiful pattern with the text. So pretty. And then you also have this that's just along the outside. So awesome. All right, now we're going to get into some of the planner stuff I received. Now remember, I have something coming up, so that's why I have a couple extra things this month. Now this is the classic planner sticker kit. This is the one that I ordinarily get. So you have the boxes, some more boxes. These are useful. Oh my gosh, I love this. The typewriter font, so pretty. And then lots of decorative elements. A lot of function right there. And then the last page is the clear sticker sheet. All right, so then this one is the planner sticker kit. I used to get this at the very beginning, and I love this one. I haven't gotten this one in a long time, so I'm kind of excited about it. All right, so we have the little bullet point stickers, pretty boxes, checklists, etc., boxes, function, and then a couple of cute little decorative guys down there. And then we also have the washi strips, so pretty. All right, then this is the memory keeping sticker kit. So like for memory planning, oh yeah, you guys know that's my favorite project. All right, so we've just got some words right there. And then we've got some big boxes, like to fit in a big happy planner. So pretty. I love the typewriter font because you've seen it throughout the kit, just lots of different elements with it. Gorgeous. Okay, and then the last thing is I have the classic vertical inserts. I've shared these with you other months, but they're 7 by 9 in size, so it's comparable to a classic happy planner or an Erin Condren. They come with this beautiful artwork for the divider, and then the back side is just blank, and it's super heavy duty for a divider. Then you have the monthly view. You have the monthly view. Then we get right into the weekly, and you can see how stunning those are. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. Isn't that amazing? Such an amazing deal. So all of those weeklies. Then, if that wasn't enough, then you also receive these vertical pages. And what I love about these is that, okay, so it's a sheet. You could punch this edge to put in your happy planner or whatever planner. It is perforated, so obviously it folds nicely. So you can keep it together, just flip it over, and then everything works together so well. So the back of this stripe page, the back of it is this checklist. So if you tore this one off, you would still have a list on the back. I hope you can tell what I'm talking about because it's just awesome. So like say you keep this side punched in your planner, you have this and a checklist. I take this side to the grocery store with me and this side does my meal planning. So that is it for the Cocoa Daisy Afternoon Tea collection. I will link you up in the comments below to all these kits that we talked about. Hopefully you loved them, and I will see you back here real soon.